We cover the southeastern corner of Chambers County, the largest municipality in the county. We're unique because we are attached to a water and sewer utilities district, so we're not your typical municipal department. We have approximately 35 career personnel between full-time and part-time, with 10 to 15 volunteers depending on the season. We heard about Frazer when we started the EMS adventure. Our fire chief worked on Frazer units back in the 90s when he was here in Beaumont, Texas. So he had, talked to some old friends and suggested we take a look at what you guys had to offer. We flew up to FDIC last year and checked out the demo unit you had there and fell in love with it. Really liked the people that were there representing the company, and we really liked the unit as well. So we decided to make the decision to go with Frazer. We've been a Frazer customer now right at a year. And this will be our second unit with Frazer.
So we went with the Chevy C4500 chassis, basically because of the ease of maintenance. The hood lifts up and it raises forward, and you have access to all the components of the engine right there at your fingertips. More room, more like easeability to get in there and access for maintenance. So that's why we went with that bigger chassis. Also, we went with the 14-foot box. It offers way more than enough room than we need on calls, but it is very nice for us as far as working in the field. You have tremendous amounts of room to get around and help your patients. So that's one of the reasons we went with the bigger box.
Doing the research and study as we were going into the EMS business, one of the biggest things we heard from everyone was you're always going to have problems with the air conditioner and electrical system. Well, when we started looking for a company that kind of cut that down a little bit, that's what we found in Frazer. We found a very simplistic electrical system, but it got the job done, and we were able to diagnose problems at the station. It wasn't a big hassle to, wouldn't be a big hassle to figure out those issues. And then, of course, the air conditioner. Being in Alabama, being able to have the air conditioner plugged up and running on a constant basis is great. It really keeps the box cool. The employees love it. The patients love it. So that was a big plus for us as well. We would recommend Frazer for the simple fact of the unit itself is really simplistic but utilitarian. It gets the job done. It's not a complex truck that's going to have multiple working pieces that goes wrong. But also the people that you work with, great company to work with, very open to any ideas. Our sales rep's been great. Everybody we've worked with at Frazer has been great. So it's been, even service department, that's been a big plus. The service department is extremely easy to work with, so we've really enjoyed that. So we would recommend that, for those reasons, is because it kind of takes the headache, and if something does go wrong, it takes the headache and the workload off of you as the customer.